Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options Guy and welcome back to my channel. And today was such a bearish day in the market. Bank Nifty opening at the high, then continuing to move down throughout the day. But the main thing was Nifty. Just look at Nifty. Nifty opening at such a high level and then never looking back, right? Basically moving down in a straight line, right? And now very interesting thing to look at Nifty is that Nifty has broken this trend line, right? So two things can happen over here. Either Nifty traps everyone, all the sellers below this trend line and closes above it tomorrow itself, or Nifty stays below this trend line tomorrow and closes below this trend line. Because if that happens, that means now the uptrend is done, and then we can expect an easy move till 21,600 first of all, and then 21,200 on the downside. These will be our easy two targets on the downside if the market does not close above this trend line tomorrow, right? So now if you see, where is the trend line is somewhere near 22,150. Let's take 22,150. So for tomorrow, 22,150 will be a very important level. Tomorrow, if you see that the market is, let's say, maybe opening, let's say market opens flat or with a small gap up, goes up till 20 to 150. If you are seeing that market is not able to break this area over here and starting to make lower low in 5 minute chart, that is when you guys can go ahead and take a short position from there. Your first target, you can keep a small target of 22,000, but if then the market starts to move down, then we can expect a very fast momentum from here, which will easily take us till 21,700 also. Maybe market might not go down till 21,700, 800 tomorrow itself. Maybe market might go down till like 21,900, 850, all these levels only, right? And then close. But yes, that is one thing. If we however open flat and start crossing 21,900 also, even then you guys can go ahead and take a short trade, because even then the market will not wait over here, right? If tomorrow, the best thing would, it looks like the market should continue to move down and push down very fast from here, right? Because if you see, a lot of times previously in the market, if you see, right, over here, when the market makes a big red candle, there is no follow up on the other day, right? Every time the market tries to move down, it cannot see a selling again on the second day, right? Second, same thing over here also. Market tried to move down, second day it could not move, right? So now the sellers have a very good chance of pushing the market down very fast from here, right? So tomorrow will be the best day to close the market in red over here, so that even on Friday the buyers do not have a lot of confidence, right? That is one thing. Maybe tomorrow also, if we even pause at lower levels, right? Even if we take a pause at lower levels, even then I would suggest please be cautious, because even then we can continue to move down and close bearish on Friday, right? So yes, this Friday's closing will also be very important, but before that, tomorrow we can definitely expect a short momentum from here for lower levels, right? One thing that I said, that you can take a short position at higher levels is somewhere near 22,150. If you see that market is making negative price action, maybe after opening a little bit with a gap up then going up, or if you see that market comes opens flat and then goes up, even then also you can take a short position near 22,150. You can then keep a target of 22,000, which will be a small target, right? But then after that we can expect a very very good momentum on the downside, right, if market closes at lower levels. But if the market is recovering very fast from here, right, and above this trend line, if you're seeing that market is sustaining pretty well above this trend line and it has started to make positive price action in 15-minute chart. So in 15-minute chart, if you see that market is making a higher high, so if I could just show you guys, maybe something like this, that is when you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade also, because then the market will close at higher levels. Most probably we will get a move till 22,300 also, right? But again, as I said, wait for price action in 15-minute chart. Wait for positive price action above this trend line in 15-minute chart. So you guys can also plot this trend line in your basically in your charts, and wait for it to break on the upside, and basically wait for the market to go above it and start making positive price action. That is when we can see the market going till 22,300 also very easily, and then we can expect the market to continue its up move, right? Because then this will just be a trap on the downside, and if this is a trap, then most probably the market will reverse very fast from here, and we will see a new all-time high, basically bank nifty pushing up till 20 to 23,000 to 22,800 very easily in the coming days, right? Because if the sellers are trapped, then the market will move up very fast from here and go till 23,000 in no time. And if you see, again, I'm going to show you pros, basically proprietary traders and FIs both are short in the market, and only the retail traders are long in the market over here, right? This is the data from NNC that gets released every day. Even today, if you see, the retail traders have bought futures. DIs, please ignore them because these guys only take a hedge for their cash positions. But yes, if you see FIs and pros, both of them have sold futures today also. So whenever you are selling futures, that means you are very sure of the direction of the market. So whenever you are making a position in futures, that means uh, it indicates an aggressive position, right? Anyways, talking about nifty, as I said, I hope that is clear for you. If we open with a gap down somewhere below 21,900, somewhere near 850 also, and all these levels, then we'll wait for just a little bit of pullback at higher levels near 21,900 to 950. In this zone, once we see that market is taking any sort of rejection, if the market is making a candle like this, or even if the market has started to make lower lows, that is when you guys can go ahead and take a short trade again. Tomorrow it is worth it to take a short trade over here, because if tomorrow the market closes at lower levels, then you can also aim for big targets on the positional basis, right? But yes, tomorrow also we can expect a continuation of this momentum. So I think, again, it's not for sure that the momentum will definitely come on the downside, right? Maybe the momentum might not come, but I think this is a place where taking a risk over here will be definitely worth it, right? Even if a stop loss is set, right? For Bank Nifty, 47,300 to 47,200 will be the area that will act as a very good resistance on the upside, right? So if we open with a small gap up and continue to move near that area, that is when you guys can think about taking a short position at higher levels over there, and then keeping a target of 47,000 on the downside. That will be our first target, and then you can maybe keep more targets on the downside if the market continues to move. But best thing would be if market opens with just a slight gap up, right? Just a slight gap up above 47,000, making everyone bullish. And then if the market is coming down to break 46,870 to 870 to 860 level, that is when you guys can go ahead and take a short trade over here. Waiting for a confirmation over here is not really needed. Same thing for Nifty also. If Nifty breaks 21,910 tomorrow, waiting for a confirmation is not really needed, and that is when you guys can go ahead and take a short trade directly, right? Then your target will be 46,600 on the downside, which will come very fast. But yes, after that we are easily open to the targets of even 46,000 on the downside in Bank Nifty, right? And tomorrow focus on Bank Nifty because Nifty has its expiry, so Nifty might not really move that much, but Bank Nifty has a good space on the downside because Bank Nifty hasn't even moved today, right? So again, maybe Nifty might also move, but yes, because today was Bank Nifty's expiry, Bank Nifty didn't really move a lot. But but yes, definitely tomorrow we can expect Bank Nifty to move good also, right? On the upside, if we go above 47,300, then most probably chances are that market has trapped everyone, and then we will continue to move up. And then you can also take a bullish trade, but again, wait for 15-minute price action, bullish price action above 47,300, and then you can go ahead and take a bullish trade till 47,700 on the upside, right? You can keep a small target of 47,500 before, and then keep the rest of the target till 47,700, right? So yeah, guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. Tomorrow, most probably, if we see a very good proper momentum on the downside, which, and again market closes at day low, that means the market has become bearish for the short term, and then we will think about selling at higher levels and not again trying to buy on dips, right? So yeah, I hope you understood this, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.